Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen about the ATM software and today is the third session of which includes the ATM software program. So, in the first session, we saw how we can create the buttons. So, let me execute it. So, we created the background image, the label and the various buttons we require for the ATM software we created in the first session. And in the second session, we created labels, entry widgets and the buttons which we require for each of the details such as the account summary, withdraw cash, deposit cash and change pin. So we created all the widgets. The layout is complete now. In today's session, let's see how we can hide the widgets and how we can show the widgets. Suppose, let me execute the original program. So suppose when I click on account balance, I should have only the account balance label being displayed. All other, that is withdraw cash details, should be hidden. But when I click on withdraw cash, only the withdraw cash details, that is the label, entry and the button which are required for the withdraw cash has to be displayed. The other details for account balance, deposit cash, change pin, those widgets have to be hidden. So let's see how we can hide these widgets and how we can show the widgets as per our need. So when I click on deposit cash, only the deposit cash details will be displayed and the withdraw cash account balance will be hidden. So in today's session, let's write the functionality for hide underscore widgets and show underscore widgets. So let me go to my program. So let me add two more functionalities. Def hide underscore widgets. It takes one parameter, so I'm giving it as E. One argument it takes, the function, and E can have four values. If it is equal to A, then it is the balance enquiry screen. So if it is equal to A, if E equal to A, then it is the balance enquiry screen. So we have to hide the withdraw screen details, the deposit screen details, and the change pin screen details. So I will hide withdraw underscore entry widget dot place underscore forget. So this particular widget gets hidden. Then in the withdraw screen, I have a button. So it's called button 1 dot place underscore forget. So even this gets hidden. Now deposit screen details also have to be hidden. So deposit underscore entry dot place underscore forget. So I've hidden this, and there's a button called button2 dot place underscore forget. So even this I have hidden. And next, the old pin, new pin details on the change pin screen also have to be hidden. Entry dot place underscore forget. So place underscore forgets hides the widget. Only place displays the widget. Place underscore forget hides the widget. New underscore pin underscore entry dot place underscore forget. There is a button called button 3 in that screen. Even that I'm hiding place underscore forget. So when we have the balance enquiry screen, let me execute this program. So for account balance, when I want this screen to be displayed, Then I say E equal to A. So when E is equal to A, only the account balance label will be displayed, while withdraw cash details, deposit cash widgets, and change pin widgets will be hidden. So that's what I'm doing over here. Withdraw, it's place underscore forget. Deposit, place underscore forget. Change pin, place underscore forget. If it is not A, if E is not equal to A, let me check elif E equal to D, that is deposit. When it is this particular thing, I have to hide my withdraw details. So let me copy this, Control V, and the change pin, entry widget and button also I have to hide. So I have hidden these two details. Now, if my E is not A and not D, let me check for another condition. Elif elif, let us go to the withdraw screen. So I give when it is equal to W, then I want my withdraw to be displayed. So I can't hide it, but my deposit I can hide it. So these two let me hide. And then old pin, new pin also can be hidden. Told me. And now if it is not A, if it is not D, if it is not W, then it is equal to P. So elif, sorry, here I have to give E equal to W. So elif E equal to P. So when it is this particular the change pin, then my withdraw details will be hidden. Withdraw widgets will be hidden and my deposit widgets will be hidden. But the show old pin and new pin details will be displayed. So I'm not hiding these details, that is old pin and new pin. So this is for the hide widgets function. Now let's go on to the show widgets function. Def show underscore widgets. Let me take Z as the argument. Okay, show underscore widgets. So here also the same process let us follow. If Z equal to W, when it is equal to W, I have to show the withdraw details. Place the withdraw widgets onto the screen. So withdraw underscore entry dot place x equal to 650, y equal to 500. Then it has got a button called button 1. So button 1 dot place x equal to 650, comma y is equal to 600. Now elif, if it is not W, I'm checking my elif condition. If Z equal to D, that is deposit. If so, I'll display my deposit entry and buttons. So deposit underscore entry x equal to 650, y equal to 500. Button 2 dot place x equal to 650, y equal to 600, equal to 600. Now, if it is not withdraw, if it is not deposit, then it is change pin. So, LF Z equal to P. Then let me say old underscore pin underscore entry dot place x equal to 600, y equal to 500. Number y equal to 500. Similarly, new pin entry x equal to 600, y also is equal to 600. Then we have a button 3 dot place x equal to 700, y equal to 650. So these are the details which we require. Okay. So these two functionalities we require in our programming. One is the hide widgets and one is the show widgets. So when I'm in the deposit entry screen, my E is equal to deposit D. So when E is D, then it will hide withdraw and change pin details, but it won't hide the deposit entry details. If my E is equal to W, then it is withdraw. So it will hide the deposit and change pin details. It won't hide the withdraw entry details. So in this way, based on our requirement, if E is A, D, W or P, we will hide the widgets accordingly. And when we want to show the widgets, when it is withdraw, we will show only the withdraw screen details. When it is deposit, we will show only the deposit screen details. And when it is change pin, we will show only the change pin details. These two functions we will call within our balance function, withdraw function, deposit function and change function. So the functionality for all these four functions we will see in the coming two consecutive sessions. Hope so friends, it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.